Level 37, the area of circles 3. Here we have a quarter of a circle. We started off with a circle here, a big circle. We had something like this. So we have a big circle take away a small circle, but we're only looking at a quarter of that. We're going to figure out the area of the big circle, the area of the little circle, subtract them to get the area of the shaded region all the way around, and then take a quarter of that. I need to know the big radius and the little radius, and they're given in this case. Big radius is 40 meters. The little radius is from here to here is 23.8 meters. The area of the big circle, and then we have the area of the little circle. I'll just write it small. The area of the big circle is pi times the big radius squared. The area of the little circle is pi times the little radius squared. I'm going to figure out the area of this whole shaded region that's all the way around. The shaded would be big, take away the small. Is 3,247.0245. That's the whole shaded region all the way around here. We want 1/4 of that. 1/4 of the shaded. 1/4 of the shaded is this divided by 4, or multiplied by 1/4. It's the same thing. It's just a little easier to say that divided by 4. Is 811.7561257. It goes on forever. That's where my answer goes. I'm going to round it. I'm going to have the 5 tell this 2 to become a 3. The area is in meters squared. And then press enter to see if you're right. Do another one of these. Similar question. We're talking about 3/4. First, we're going to figure out the area of the little circle, then the area of the full big circle. Then we're going to get the shaded region if that went all the way around, and then we're going to take 3/4 of that. The big radius is 44.8 centimeters. The little radius is 16.7. The area of the big circle is pi times big radius squared. The area of the little circle is pi times the little radius squared. If we shaded this in, if we went all the way around like that, and shaded it in, and shaded all of this in, then we would have the big circle take away the little circle's area. This whole thing all the way around would be 5,429.14344. But we are after 3/4 of that. We're after 3/4 of the shaded. 3/4, 3/4 of times the shaded region. 4,071.85. Copy that. Put that over here. I'm going to round that. The 8 is going to tell the 0 to become a 1. Centimeters squared, because it's area, and then press enter to see if you're right. And that is it for level 37. Have a good day.